For cheap pointer. Yo, Steph Curry. 3 pointer, my people, I have to go back over them line there because viewers, subscribers, Just Vybz Radio, and family, so me show my face, so you know what's on normal. So if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing now. Click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. You know the track is already. And nobody watch my shirt in a name brand, but that rhyme, you know. But another we come for talk about right now. We come for talk about Vybz Kartel. The dog do something what nobody never did in their life yet, my people. And this is one of the reasons why the man is the greatest of all time. I say the man is among one of the gods of dancehall music. So my people, we come for talk about not a music or a video, because when you see we show our face, it's a reaction. But guess what? We are going to create something new now. We are going to react to a lyrics where Vybz Kartel post on Instagram. But the song don't drop yet. The lyrics is named Addia the King. Asa? Addia the King. So I assume that's the song name. So before we jump into the lyrics them now, remember, subscribe to this channel now. Just Vybz Radio. You know the jaggings. So we are moving on, my people. Vybz Kartel made a post on his Instagram. But under the post, we realized the man post an entire lyrics for a song named Addia the King. And only think your song are going to be EM art. Now most Masicka? Masicka people. And the lyrics bad already. And the song not drop yet, my people. So we are go through the lyrics. I remember I'm not a singer. I'm not a DJ. I go read the lyrics then. And only try singing. Me can't sing, brother. But me I tell you, say yo, the lyrics are chop. Me need an asthma pump because I can't keep up. Me I go through the lyrics then. I go through it one time, but me I go through it a second time. Hopefully, I don't stutter because I can't read, my people. I can't read. I start to school from in a grade class 3. So, we are jumping here because we don't have much time. You see me? And the camera back here. This so the vloggers know what go on. Addia the King coming soon. So, him start the song like this, which is verse 1. Give it to you raw like chicken in a Kentucky. 05 till now, me wall the leader. So, I'm going to know, see yo, give it to you raw like Kentucky. Because Kentucky chicken raw, no people. Kentucky chicken raw. You see me? Someone say from 05, me still around, so someone say them a king. But anyways, then the dog go say, yo, we continue. The man say, catch me if you can. You know name Bolt. You know have that, what? Catch me if you can. You know name Bolt. You know have the speed, yeah. Them a palmlet. And want to test the great encyclopedia. For real, brother. On the phone, Vybz Kartel create the word lyricist. The man is so lyrically insane. If I heard name so, nobody can clash them man. Not even James. Hey, sure. Me hear you say, tell your friends say, no played Cartel. Him I go fuck you till him breed you. Me depend the case like MS Nita, 6 liter, box speed meter, big speaker, go like Beijing, straight like bearing. Ear night, wearing, FaceTime, dating, vibes, what? Fuck daylight, savings, late night, raving, beer vibes, making great eyes, space things, sail by, tailspin, beer style, snake skin, yo. For cheap pointer. Yo, Steph Curry. 3 pointer, my people, I have to go back over them line there because I lose a whole heap of breath there, so I need carbon dioxide and yo, metamorphine and yo, all of them something there. So I go over it again. Boom, but the man say 6 liter box speed maker, big speaker, go like Beijing, straight like bearing, ear like wearing, FaceTime, dating, fuck daylight, savings, late night, raving, beer vibes, making great eyes, space thing, sail by, tailspin, beer style, snake skin, ear style, stay trim, ear spice, ear. Yo, my people, yo. Vybz Kartel, yo, bad man. The lyrics are chop already, and me no hear the song yet. My affy coming up on one like, oh, all them four clash. The greatest of all time, my people. Yo, let me go over the part there one more time. The man say, bombard. The man say 6 liter box speed meter, big speaker. Go like Beijing, straight like bearing, ear Nike, wearing, FaceTime, dating, fuck daylight, saving, late night, raving, beer vibes, making, great eyes, space thing, sail by, tail spin, beer style, snake skin, hairstyle, stay trim, ear spice, ear king. Hear me, yes queen, G's and peace. Yo, my people. Yo, 3 pointer. Now watch my shirt. Yo, my people. Then the man I say at the chorus. Yo, me tired. Me continue. Matter what them say, matter what them try, them afraid of me. Adi are the king, any other king, a Burger King. Shot past everybody upon the journey. Them so fucking late, it look early. Till me lap them again, your bumbo clat. If you know me or bolt, nobody no worthy. So man, I couldn't know, if you know me, what the greatest of all time, you know worthy, you know bolt, and you know can ever be bolt. But give it to you clean, like dish in my grandmother cupboard. Or you can't run the place if you're so bad. Nothing me know, but me know my brain stubborn. So one thing me know, said the whole of them are coward. Don't violate you, use my smile. No, the bees dead, him never see the mac upon the flowers. No joke, no Austin, just powers. And Austin powers this. World boss of the whole universe govern. Go like Beijing, straight like bearing, ear Nike, wearing, FaceTime. Dating, fuck daylight, savings, late night. Blow, raving, beer vibes, making great eyes, pasting, stage. Me confused, me and mix up my people. Me I imagine if I so fast, man I go spit the. Yo, me can't keep up with the artists. Me don't know how people the artists sing. You have to be talent, you have to have natural talent, my people. You see me? Yo, the man kill it, my people. Me need not laugh. And if you don't wonder who the man attack, you must know say. You must know say a Vybz, a Masicka the man attack my people. Because Masicka say I'm the king. So the man say you're not king, you're Burger King. You're not half ready for match up with me encyclopedia. The man lyrically insane my people. You can't want to look for clash a man like Vybz Kartel. You get me I say. So now we know say we don't have no more what the name again? Gaza genocide. Because the man a rub out Masicka to the ground. And for all I want to say Masicka lyrically inclined, we are going to know because Masicka have a song where I come. I forgot what name. You see me? But Masicka have a song where I'm sure the cover. But my people want to think about the lyrics of this song here. Adi are the king. I would assume that the song I got name. I want to think about the lyrics. I want to hear the song as yet. I want to grade this lyrics here out of 10. And I want to feel or want to have any idea how your song I go sound. If so, comment everything in the comment section below. More hear an opinion because you don't know. Say yo, we think that normal already. And remember, subscribe. But blow out, Ali the king. Dance all nice again, my people. Comment in the comment section below. I want to think. Gonna feel see a Masicka get slapped where. Yo, Jano. Yo. But until next time, just Vybz Radio. I'm out.